What's good, wealth builders? It's the man, it's the myth, the wealth builder himself, back again with another video.
My grind is an understatement. Don't think I'm thinking, you can check my bank statement. I'm about my money, yeah, that's a basic. World domination is what I'm truly facing.
But seriously, alright, so I was just thinking, man, I just had a moment, right? Driving, I see a lady, she's selling jewelry at a table at the gas station. Hey, man, you know what I'm saying? You gotta hustle, right? Getting your hustle. So, make a long story short, she's selling this jewelry on the corner. So, right, I just thought to myself, now, if you're selling anything or doing any physical work for somebody else, a service, selling anything, right? You need to be multifaceted with it. Okay, what I mean by that? Alright, so you got to be able to sell it online also. So say like, for instance, she has a jewelry, right? She's able to sell jewelry or whatever she's selling on the corner, right? She needs to set up a website, get everything set up, and when people come buy stuff from her, she gives them her card or flyer promoting her website. You dig? Boom. So now you got a way to market your website on to people. That's so they can go online and buy your stuff online. That's so they don't. What if one day they don't see you on the corner? Maybe they wanted to buy some jewelry that day. They didn't have any money or didn't have the cash or whatever, or didn't have the information on them to buy it. But, they got your flyer and your website. So you go to the website and then you order it on the website and then boom, you send out the jewelry to this person and they're going to pay for shipping. So what? And now you got a passive income stream in a sense, because you're not sitting on the corner selling jewelry all the time, right? But people got your website to go there to buy it if they like it, right? So now you're multifaceted. Now you got this jewelry business going. So now you got a jewelry business going. Basically, you got a website. You're making sales online. Maybe you find a way to get in the mall, or find a better way to get maybe at a flea market, somewhere a little bit more official to sell your jewelry. And then you market your website and stuff there also. So say you got this going, right? You got everything going. You starting to make a little bit of money. Things is moving for you. So then you start doing YouTube videos telling people or explaining to people how you started your your jewelry business, right? How you start a jewelry business, how you make this much money a month, yada yada yada, right? So now you got a YouTube channel, and then all of a sudden you start getting subscribers, and then now you start making money, and then now you got passive income from your YouTube channel because they're watching your videos. You're getting paid from ads, and then you're getting paid from maybe them going to your website and buying jewelry from your website directly. And now you got 3 streams of income. You got the physical streams of income, them buying it from you, right, online. Your YouTube channel, right? Ad income, Google AdSense income. And then you got your physical store income. 3 streams of income. See what I'm saying? Multifaceted, and now you got multiple streams of income. Right? Right. You can do this with a lot of different things, man. Whatever you're good at, you can figure out how to make it an income stream in multiple ways using this thing we call online, social media apps, whatever you want to call it, social media marketing, whatever you want to call this stuff, right? See, I didn't think about that. But I got you. That's what I'm here for. And if you want to learn a little bit more in detail and really learn how to set this up, click the link below, man. Wealthbuilderzsystem.com, and I'll show you how to create your own economy. Alright? Do remember, Wealth Builders, make more, save more, build more. Peace.